I just love creating beauty products or hair products from ingredients that you can easily find in your cupboard. This particular recipe has got one ingredient, and that is flax seeds, which is, it absolutely blows my mind. So you are going to need 2.5 cups of water and 1/4 cup of flax seeds, and you're going to boil that in a pot for about 10 minutes or until it creates this mucus situation on top of the flax seeds and the water. So here I am stirring it, and you can see there's no mucus forming yet. There you can see a few bubbles, it's starting, and stirring it some more. There you can see there's nice and white mucus. So there you can see when you pull it, you can see this trail following your spoon. And in this particular one, when you lift your spoon, you can see it's nice and thick. So what you want to do though, once you see this beautiful mucus forming on top, you want to let it rest and cool down for 30 minutes. To strain the gel, I used a nut milk bag. You can use a muslin bag, or you can use stockings even, to strain the gel from the flax seeds. So I just used a jar, wrapped my nut milk bag around it, and then I'm just going to pour the cool down gloop into it. This doesn't look very attractive in any way, but you can see that lovely slime. That's what we need, that's what we're going for. So pour that in, and then you're going to press, and you're going to squeeze out all of the gel from the flax seeds, which is quite a little bit of a process and quite messy. You maybe want to use a bigger container to get all that gel. It's beautiful, clear, and it works like a charm. So here I am just brushing out my hair and tying it into sections and just rubbing in my flaxseed gel. It's so easy to wash off your hands. It's so light. So when you wash your hair afterwards as well, it really just washes out so easily. There's no residue or buildup or anything like that. So all I do is just comb it into my hair, and then I flip my hair over. And if you have curly hair, you know this method. You basically just scrunch up, and you scrunch it up a few times until it's dry enough. And here you can see the curls forming. My hair is very flyaway and very messy, and this sort of just keeps the curls nice and neat and tidy. So I really love my gel, and I hope you try it too. I like that it's cheap and it's quick, and you can do it yourself from home. Love it. Please subscribe or like this video.